here I am going to talk about measures of center. Measures of center is a value that can possibly identify the central position of that data set. Common measures of center are mean, median, mode, and midrange. Now let's define mean, median, mode, and midrange. Mean. Mean is the usual average value. It is also called the arithmetic mean. Okay? And the median, the value in the middle position when arranged in an order is median. The most frequently occurring value in a data set is a mode. And the number midway between the maximum and minimum data values is midrange. Now let's look at this example. So given below are shoe sizes of students in a class. So now let's try to find mean, median, mode, and midrange. So in order to find mean, we have a formula. Mean equals to sum of x over n. So sum of x is sum of all data values. Sum of all data values, and n is number of data values. Okay. So in order to find sum of all data values, we will add all these numbers, okay, which is when we add all these numbers, we get 85.5. And there are 11 number of data. So this is, if we count them, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that's where we get this 11 from. Okay. And when we divide 85.5 by 11, we get 7.77. That is our mean. Okay. Now, let's find median. So in order to find median, first arrange the given data in an increasing order like this. Okay. Then locate the middle value to get median. So for this data, the middle value is 8. So that's our median. Now, for mode, notice that the most frequently occurring value is 8.5. So this means the mode is 8.5. For mid-range, we have a formula of minimum plus maximum divided by 2. So looking at this data, our minimum is 6 and our maximum is 9.5. So when we add 6 and 9.5 and divide the number by 2, we get 7.75, which is our mid-range. Now I will show how to find it in a TI calculator. So I have my calculator here. So now we need to enter the given data in TI calculator. So in order to enter the data, we need to go in stat and then hit enter. Okay. Now put all your data in the list 1. So on here, our first data is 8.5. Then hit enter. So now enter all the data. Okay, so the next one is 8, 6, 7.5, 7, 9.5, another 9.5, 6.5, 6, 8.5, and another 8.5. Okay, so now once we have all our data entered in list 1, so now punch in a stat. Now use this arrow key so that we can select calc, okay, and make sure your one variable stats is highlighted, and then hit enter. And again in here, since I just entered all my data in list 1, so that's what we need to put. So since I have all my data in list 1, I have L1 here. So if you enter all your data in list 2, then the list should have list 2 in here. Okay, so now hit enter. So this is what we get for mean, 7.77. That's what we got for mean over here. Okay, 7.77. And let me punch in this arrow sign. So now we are here. You can see on the calculator's screen. So that's median equals to 8. So that's what we got for the median. Now let me show you how to do it in Excel. So let me pull up my Excel sheet. So here is my Excel. Now I need to enter all the data here. Our data was 8.5, 8, 6, 7.5, 7, 9.5, 9.5, 6.5, 6, 8.5, and 8.5. So now, in order to find mean, so click in any of the empty cells in Excel, and so in order to find mean, what you need to do is type equals, then type average. Okay. Now put parentheses. Okay. Now go back to your data over here and then highlight all your data. Okay. So then close the parentheses here, then hit enter. So that give you, so this is the mean. Okay, that give you mean. So we found 7.77 using the formula and using the calculator, and we found the same number using the Excel. Okay. So now let me show you how to find median. So again, type in equals, then type in median, MEDIAN. Now put your parentheses, then again go back here and then select your data. Then close your parentheses, then hit enter. Okay, so that gives you median. Remember, we got 8. We got the same number using calculator too. So finally, let me show you how to find mode. Okay, in order to find mode, type equals, then type mode, then put your parentheses here, then go here and then select the whole data. Okay, so now close your parentheses, then hit enter. So that is mode. So this is your mode.